for southwestern Wake County until 8 p.m. At 7:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fuquay Arena, or 8 miles south of Cary, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fuquay Arena, Apex, Holly Springs, and Sharon Harris Reservoir. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following county: Wake, North Carolina. Here is a